We all love our pets, but not the pet hair on clothes and furniture. Introducing the Pet Massage and Grooming Mitt from Creative Products, the gentle, caring way to groom and care for your pet. The flexible, soft-tipped grooming bristles are specially designed to loosen dead hair and dirt. Simply brush through the undercoat. The unique bristles capture all molted hair between the soft rubber studs. Simply remove and dispose safely. When pets are molting, there's no better glove to remove the old coat and allow the new one to shine through. This gentle mitt is ideal for sensitive areas around the face and ears of your animal. Many pets hate bathing. The Pet Massage and Grooming Mitt soothes and relaxes and works just as well when wet. Massaging with hands gives your pet the ultimate care and ensures a shiny coat without tangles. The reverse side of the mitt is specially designed to collect pet hair from furnishings and upholstery, pet mats and more. Not just for small pets, you can use it on any pet that has fur. Be kind to your pets with the Pet and Massage Mitt from Creative Products. Take one or more to the checkout now.